This is the Wings Mobile Detailing Business and Automotive Podcast. Today's show, we're going to talk about automotive detailing with the topic on the difference between waxes, paint sealants, and the difference also between ceramic coating and PPF, or paint protection film, most common known as clear bra. So stay tuned with this show. If you'd like to hear about our other business show, we have many other episodes that we talk about business, but this time we're talking about automotive detailing.
Welcome to the Wings Mobile Detailing Business and Automotive Podcast, the only podcast that will guide you on how to start and grow six-figure companies. As our team expand from one business location to worldwide domination, you will get step-by-step insights from a millennial franchisor and franchise owner with your host, Andre Mezzalera.
So there are 4 types of paint protection that you can have on your car. That will certainly, one works the least and the other one works the best. Starting off with first waxes, there are sealants, and then there are the 2, ceramic coatings and clear bra, commonly known as PPF, paint protection film. Now, first of all, waxes. Let's start with the wax. I wouldn't consider them much as a paint protection product. They are more of a shine enhancement, because if anybody's looking to really have protected the paint over their car, I would more recommend them towards sealants or clear bra or even ceramic coatings, as waxes are more known towards shine enhancement. You apply the thin layers and it doesn't last as long. It's usually from 1 to 2 months on the car. The price does run for around $80 with a wax, whereas the sealant, you're paying just a little bit more, about $150, north of the $150. You can have a good sealant application on the car. That is going to be thicker coat. It's going to last for between 6 months to even a year. It is hand applied or it can be machine applied, but it definitely also will bring just this nice shine that the wax would bring to the car, but it's going to offer that thicker protection and it's going to last longer. And between the 2, there are many different brands and type of waxes, as well as sealants. There are waxes. You have butter wet wax, you have carnauba wax, many different others, as well as the sealant. Normally, most commonly used sealants are polymer sealants. They are both, there's no bad consequence to the car. So it's only good when you wax the car and when you seal the car. And there's no such thing as over wax in the car, because if you over wax your car, it's just going to have a thicker coating on it. Now, going to ceramic coating and clear bra. So before we compare the clear bra with ceramic coating, let me just go over the benefits of ceramic coating. Normally, compared to any wax or sealant, ceramic coating, certainly better. You can have a better protection if it's a used car with a perfect paint, or a brand new car, which is most recommended because the paint on brand new cars are already, in really good shape. All it needs is a step of polish. Ceramic coating will last from 3 to 5 years. There are some that will last for 5-year warranties. We offer, 3 to 5-year warranties. Others, some manufacturers brand ceramic coating as lasting a lifetime, but you really have to study that to make sure it's actually legit. But let's go with the 5-year warranty ceramic coating, for example. You're spending about, with a good professional application, north of $5,000. And you're certainly going to get much better shine, durability, and longevity on it, as well as protection. So going between ceramic coating and clear bra first, the benefits of ceramic coating is just that you're going to have the constant shine. So number one, that shine is going to be more of a wet look. Compared to wax and sealants, ceramic coating has more of a glass look. It's this actual ceramic, where waxes are wax, they're paste. Sealants, they're also paste and applied, and wax can actually, because waxes, how they are, if you look at a candle, they can attract dust. Whereas ceramic coating, where it has a more of a glass surface, it dries like a glass on top of your vehicle. It will not attract dirt. Number two, they're very hydrophobic. So ceramic coating, when it rains on it, you're gonna see water beating like never seen before. It's top of the line. You get that slickiness as well. So the hydrophobic, slick feeling to it, it's gonna feel like as smooth as glass. Number three is the protection. Most ceramic coatings that's out there, most recommended ones they have the 9H protection. And the 9H is meaning it's the thickness of it, which is going to protect from, let's say, once you have the bird poop, for example, on the surface of your vehicle. The bird poop is still have to eat through all the thickness of the ceramic pro before it gets to your paint. Now there's also that longevity. How long is the ceramic going to last full throttle on the car? How long the ceramic's going to really be there protecting your vehicle? There are different packages. There are ceramics that will last from 2 years, ones from 3 to 5 years, others from 5 years warranty, and there are some that last for even 10 years. If we were to compare one ceramic coating that lasts for 10 years, if it is warranted for 10 years, it's going to be there during this time. There is little maintenance required for ceramic coating, which is pretty much a spray type of wax, but it's not wax, it's a silica spray because ceramic is based off of silica. And fifth, it's going to be easy to clean. You're going to feel like you have your vehicle because it's so hydrophobic and the dirt won't stick to it as much. When it rains, you're going to feel like your vehicle is always clean. Not only it feels like it's always clean, but it's easy to clean. You put water on it, wash with the wash mitt, dirt will come right off, and it's going to restore that shine. Now, comparing to a clear bra, normally you would want to have the clear bra on your car for the 10 years. Consequently, you could leave the clear bra on your vehicle for over 10 years, but if you don't get it off, you risk damaging the clear coat or the finished paint of your car while you're removing it. So definitely, it's recommended for 15 years when the clear bra is on the car, so you can safely remove it. You're being good hands. So let's compare now. Let's compare based on this facts. Number one, the shine that the ceramic coating gives. Clear bra or PPF, they won't give as much shine because it's a plastic that is glowing professionally glue. You know, if it's done professionally, you're gonna have all the label stickers off of the car, the tags. So if it's done professionally, you're gonna have installed in all the corners and crevices completely. But for a detailer's perspective, point of view, if you're looking close to the car, you're not gonna see that original, the nice paint, the nice gloss compared to a ceramic coating. Number two, the hydrophobic properties on it. Plastic itself, they're not hydrophobic. Starting from there, you can apply a product on top to make it a little bit more hydrophobic for when it rains, the water beads right off, but it doesn't have that slickness of hydrophobicity on it. So far, points goes towards ceramic coating. That's how we notice things. Number three, the 9H protection from ceramic coating. Yes, the clear bra or PPF, you're gonna get a better protection from rock chips hitting it. There is a however in this comparison though. Although you're getting a better protection because it's a thicker plastic, it's nice to remember that the clear bra is not as slick than the ceramic coating. So although yes, the clear bra will protect from rock chips better, protect the paint from rock chips better than the ceramic pro or ceramic coating would, it still wouldn't ricochet the paint chips out. Where the ceramic coating, it's still thick. It still has the 9H thickness, especially with the 10-year warranted ceramic coating. But it will help to protect from those rock chips because it's gonna repel the rock chips once it hits the front bumper or wherever part of the car it hits. It's going to repel and not go straight through, perforating the actual ceramic coating. Whereas the clear bra, it actually goes straight. It doesn't have the slickness to ricochet it out. It's going to hit straight through the clear bra, the plastic or PPF, and it's going to start making holes. So throughout those 4-year time frames, if we're getting paint chips, you're going to start getting penetrated holes on the clear bra. But yes, your paint would be better protected, technically speaking, with the clear bra. But at the same time, you have that, it's gonna grab more of those rock chips compared to the Ceramic Pro, where it would repel it. So let's compare. Let's say you have the ceramic coating and the clear bra on your vehicle for the 10 years. Let's say you pick a 10-year package with the ceramic coating and you get a professionally applied and installed clear bra. Now, price-wise, getting a ceramic coating professionally applied to your paint, ceramic coating that lasts for 10 years, it's going to cost you north of $5,000, north of $6,000, compared to a clear bra where it will cost you north of $8,000, comparing, let's say we're using the same type of vehicle. And the differences are there that you normally see, where the clear bra, you're going to get it's going to be more thick, but you're losing the shine, you're losing the hydrophobicity. And the ceramic coating, you're going to have that there throughout the years for the 10 years. Consequently, if you want to leave your clear bra for over 10 years on your car, during this time, the clear bra it's going to attract more dirt. It's going to lose the shine of the first day you put it, you're not going to have the original shine on it. And it's not going to be as hydrophobic, meaning when the car gets dirty, it's not going to be as easy to wash the car compared to ceramic coating. And when you get the clear bra out of the car, there is still that tiny risk of damaging your clear coat as you're pulling out the glue from the clear bra. If you pay somebody to do it professionally, they're still going to run through that risk of pulling out the clear coat of the car when the 10-year goes by. As a personal experience, I've had clients before that had a clear bra installed to their vehicle 8 years before, and he decided to remove it. When he was pulling the clear bra out of the car for those 8 years, he could see specks of the clear coat of the car, meaning that paint, the finish of the car coming off along with the glue. Because you never know what happened in between the separation between the clear coat and the clear bra. To conclude, while he was saving his paint from rock chips, from any damage because of how thick the clear bra is, at the end, so he jeopardized the shine, he jeopardized the hydrophobicity, the nice, easy to clean look for the protection, where it wasn't worth it because at the end, the protection was gone because he actually damaged by removing the clear bra. Obviously, those are certain cases. You definitely want to have whatever service you get professionally applied by a reputable specialist, but you never take away the risk especially if you leave it the clear bra for over 10 years on your paint job. There are the 5 differences and 5 benefits of ceramic coating and clear bra. If any of you have any questions, please feel free to call our office. It's at 804-250-1028, or you can contact Wings Mobile Detailing, and we help to answer any of your questions if you want to apply it on your own. Obviously, the ceramic coating and clear bra is something that it require more of a professional hand, but you can call anytime. We're going to be doing more of the podcasts and more blogs towards automotive detailing, as well as the business part of detailing.